Ovulation. Definition. Ovulation is the release of a secondary oocyte, egg, from the ovary after the rupture of a mature Graafian follicle. It occurs once in each ovarian cycle, starting at puberty and ending at menopause. Timing happens approximately 14 days before the next menstrual period. Exceptions: ovulation does not occur during pregnancy, lactation, or some menstrual cycles, anovulation. Mechanism of ovulation. 1. Changes in the follicle. The Graafian follicle enlarges due to the accumulation of follicular fluid, 20 mm in size. Cumulus oophorus separates and floats in the antrum. Corona radiata, inner cells around the oocyte arrange radially. Stigma, a thin projection on the ovary surface allows the egg to escape. 2. Changes in the oocyte. Cytoplasmic volume increases. Mitochondria and Golgi apparatus reorganize. The first meiotic division completes, releasing the first polar body, 23 chromosomes. Causes of ovulation. Hormonal regulation. LH surge, triggered by high estrogen levels for 24 to 36 hours. Causes follicle rupture, oocyte maturation, and luteinization of granulosa cells. Ovulation occurs 16 to 24 hours after the LH surge. FSH surge, stimulated by preovulatory progesterone and estrogen. Helps in breaking down the follicle wall for egg release. Mechanical factors. Stretching of the follicle. Contraction of theca externa and ovarian stroma due to prostaglandins. Effects of ovulation. 1. The Graafian follicle becomes the corpus luteum, which secretes hormones. 2. The oocyte is picked up by the fallopian tube for fertilization, if sperm is present. Degeneration, if not fertilized. Key points. Ovulation is essential for conception but is not directly linked to menstruation. Anovulation is common in adolescence, postpartum, and perimenopause. Hormones, LH, FSH, and estrogen play a crucial role in ovulation. Fertilization. Definition. Fertilization is the process where a sperm fuses with a mature ovum to form a single cell called a zygote, which begins embryonic development. Objectives. 1. To initiate the development of the embryo. 2. To restore the chromosome number 246, diploid. Location. Fertilization typically occurs in the ampulla of the uterine, fallopian, tube. Steps of fertilization. 1. Approximation of gametes, ovum and sperm. Ovum transport. After ovulation, the ovum is picked up by the fimbriae of the fallopian tube. It reaches the ampulla via muscular, ciliary action, and possibly by chemotaxis. The ovum remains fertilizable for 12 to 24 hours. Sperm transport. Out of millions of sperm deposited during ejaculation, only 300 to 500 sperm reach the ovum. Fertilizable lifespan of sperm, 48 to 72 hours. Sperm reaches the fallopian tube within a few minutes due to muscular contractions and suction. 2. Contact and fusion of gametes. Corona radiata dissolution. Enzymes like hyaluronidase from the sperm's acrosomal cap dissolve the corona radiata. Zona pellucida penetration. Sperm release enzymes to penetrate the zona pellucida. Fusion. One sperm fuses with the ulemma, egg membrane. Fusion triggers zona reaction, blocking other sperm from entering. Oocyte changes. Completes second meiotic division. Forms female pronucleus, haploid, 23 chromosomes, and a second polar body. Sperm head and neck form the male pronucleus, haploid, 23 chromosomes, inside the ovum cytoplasm. Formation of zygote. Male and female pronuclei fuse, restoring the diploid number of chromosomes, 46. Genetic material from both parents combines. 3. Determination of baby's sex. Determined by the sperm's chromosome. X chromosome, female baby, 46, XX. Y chromosome, male baby, 46, XY. Morula formation. Definition. The morula is a cluster of cells formed after the zygote undergoes mitotic divisions, cleavage. Stages. 1. To cell stage. Reach at 30 hours after fertilization. Zygote divides into 2 equal cells, blastomeres. 2. Division continues. 4, 8, 16 cell stages occur, forming a mulberry-like structure called morula. Total cell volume remains the same as the zona pellucida stays intact. 3. Transport to uterine cavity. The morula enters the uterine cavity on the 4th day, 16 to 64 cells. Central cells, inner cell mass form the embryo proper. Peripheral cells, outer cell mass form protective and nutritive membranes. Key points. Fertilization usually occurs in the ampullary region of the fallopian tube. The fertilized ovum, zygote, begins cell division to form the morula and eventually enters the uterus. Sperm determines the baby's sex based on its chromosome. Both the embryo and its supporting membranes originate from the morula.